Hi everybody. I wanted to go over some of our sight words this week because they're very tricky words. They're quite tricky because they are abbreviations for a bigger word, okay? So let's go over them really quick here. We have the first sight word is this one right here. It says Mr., but it's a short way of saying Mr. So when you spell the word Mr., it's much longer than this. But when we're trying to talk to somebody who is a man, we would say Mr. So-and-so. Okay, so for example, my husband is Mr. Curtis. So his name would, when you say Mr. Curtis, you would say M.R. dot, and then you would have his name Curtis, the last name. Okay, so that's how you would write that, just so it's a shorter way of writing Mr. Okay, so let me go to my next one, another tricky one. Okay, this one's super tricky. This one right here. This says Mrs. Okay, I know there's an R there. It's kind of a silent R. Okay, but it is a short way of saying the word Mrs. Okay, so I am Mrs. Curtis. Okay, so whenever you write my name, you would say M.R.S. dot space Curtis. And that's how you would address me. That's my title. Okay. One last one, and this one's super duper tricky. This one right here. This stands for the word doctor. Okay, so when you say doctor, it's spelled out a little longer than what it's written down here. When you want to write the name doctor and you want to go really quick, you can put the D and the R dot space and the name of that doctor. Okay, so those are ways that you would say all of those words, and it's kind of tricky because you don't expect some of them to be like that, but it's just a shorter way of writing out those longer words. Okay, so what I want you to do is try and write those words out, okay? And I will see you later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.